Today we're going to be making elderflower cordial. It's so refreshing and delicious on a hot day, and you'll be surprised how easy it is to make. Hi, I'm Taryn. Welcome to my kitchen studio. This is where I like to have fun with food and teach others simple cooking tips and tricks. Today we're making elderflower cordial. It's a delicious drink on a hot day. You can use it in muffins and cakes, or even pour it over some ice cream. It's so easy, so let's get into it. These are the ingredients we need. I'll leave the recipe in the description below. It makes about one of these bottles, so you can double it, triple it, quadruple it, or make it in as many batches as you like. We've got the flowers. We've got lemons. I've cut them into thin slices so that the flavour will infuse into the liquid. There's some citric acid that helps to preserve the cordial, and some sugar to sweeten it. We don't need the sugar just yet, so I'll just put it to the side. Just break the flowers off the stalk just underneath the flower head. Put the lemons in, and the citric acid, and lastly the water. We simply bring it to the boil. Once it's boiling, turn off the heat, and then we leave it to infuse for 24 hours. This has been sitting here for 24 hours, and now we're ready to strain it. And then we can reboil it with some sugar and then bottle it. So I'm going to strain it through a muslin and a sieve. It's really fine, so it'll get rid of all the little bits of stalk and flour and lemon in the pot. And now we add our strained liquid back to the pot with our sugar. And now I'm going to bring it to the boil. Once it's come to the boil, let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. While it's boiling, let's prepare our bottle. Use something that's airtight and make sure you sterilize it so the cordial doesn't go moldy. Now I'm going to pour the cordial into a jug to make it easier to pour into the sterilized bottle. So there's our elderflower cordial all done. It's obviously too hot to drink just yet, so let it cool to room temperature and then put it into the fridge to cool. Then you can enjoy it over some ice with some soda water, or if you'd like a sweeter option, put some lemonade with it. Enjoy your elderflower cordial.